Good morning. So it's -8 out here in Williams Lake, and if you don't know, follow me on the GoFast forum. Anyways, GoFast was nice enough to replace that damaged camper for the cost of me driving down there, and I donated the other camper, and yeah, so here I am on Tuesday morning at 5:40 on the 16th of November, and I'm going to drive down to Penticton and get a PCR test, because I need that in order to get back into Canada within 72 hours, and then going to drive as far as I can today once I get across the border, so Coeur d'Alene, but if I'm not tired, I'll maybe try to keep going to Missoula, and then to Belgrade, hopefully squeeze in at the shop there, say hi at least. Yeah, and then making my way. So I'll make a couple of these videos along the way, maybe put them up on YouTube before I'm done, because I don't have anything else to do except for edit video, I guess. And yeah, it's a big trip. So the first unknown right now is how the highways are going to be with all the frost and the snow, and then the next gamble will be not really a gamble, but you just never know when you go to the border. You can tell you to turn around, but yeah, cool. Stay tuned. Enjoy. Grand Coulee Dam. Look at the size of that thing. Holy. Cool. Bottom of the Columbia River. Currently traveling through hyperspace here outside of Missoula. Just narrowly dodged some spun out semis. You know, fuck, just put your fucking chains on. Like, ugh. Yeah. Anyways. Well, made it to Belgrade and washed the truck. Went for a drive. Wasn't allowed to go to the shop and do any work on the GoFast, but whatever. Anyways, tomorrow I'll get the camper on. Well, today is the day. I'm going to get the new camper installed, so I'm going to head over there this morning at 8 a.m. and see if they can squeeze me in before the installs this morning, and so I can get on my way since the weather is good. We'll see. Hopefully I'll be the first one there trying to pull this off, but I mean, it is what it is. If I gotta wait till noon, I gotta wait till noon. It just means I won't get to Kimberley until 8 or 9 o'clock at night. Yeah, wish me luck. There it is. Moment of truth. It'll be upon us shortly here as to whether or not they can squeeze me in this morning. Going into the GFC. See what they say. Well, that's it. It's all installed. A little earlier. Got in a little bit earlier than I was scheduled, so that's good. Don't really have time to do a walk around video right now of the install or anything like that. I didn't realize what time it was, but had to schedule my crossing, so I had to leave. I was trying to do some modifications there to get my platform in the bed to fit. I pulled down the sides to get it out of the way for them, and it looks like they're using a bit of a different bracket now, so I couldn't get the sides for my plywood platform to fit properly. So anyways, it's now the journey to Kimberley, BC to go visit some friends. And it's funny, I probably won't get to sleep in the camper before I get home, but I've done it already, so it's not like it's something new. But they definitely made some good changes with the seal around the edge, and the new way they attach the tent, so that those little green rods don't slide out of the tent. So everything's good, man. So off we go. Thanks.